Okay, so we are focusing a bit more on expository, considering Sec 2, usually the genre that you'll be touching on is expository, right? So body paragraph and conclusion paragraph, that's what we're going to do, specifically expository, yeah? Okay, so methods to write body as well as conclusion, since we are already done with our intro. Okay, I think we don't have to cover the rules anymore. I think the two of you are very familiar with it. Okay, so let's move on. Okay. So when it comes to body paragraphs, okay, it has to be expanded upon from the topic sentences itself. I think in the previous last two lessons, we talked about thesis statement, right? You do need to have a thesis statement in your intro paragraph. Okay, and then for your body paragraphs, by right, each one of them should have a topic sentence. And usually topic sentences are found at the start of your body paragraph. Okay, so they're usually found at the start of your body paragraph. And of course, to support your topic sentences, especially so for your expository, you have to make sure that you give substantial details. Okay, it has to be substantial details or even solid evidences to help you support your view. Okay, later on we'll look at some examples and then you'll know what I mean. Okay, so you have your topic sentence at the beginning, support it with details, substantial. I think that's spare we have like substantial. Okay, substantial details and solid evidence to back your viewpoint. Yeah. Okay, so what does a topic sentence do? A topic sentence should sum up key idea. Okay, so what do you mean by key idea? Basically, when your reader reads your topic sentence, he or she will know, oh, okay, so this writer is going to talk about this in the paragraph itself. Okay, whereas a thesis statement is slightly different. A thesis statement basically tells the reader what is going to be covered for the entire essay. It's quite different from topic sentence. Topic sentence tells the reader what is going to be within the paragraph itself. Okay, the topic sentence should be linked to the thesis statement. Yeah, okay, it should be linked to the thesis statement. It should keep the writing focus. Okay, so it has to keep the writing focus as well. Why does it keep your writing focus? Because when it doesn't just give your reader a direction, it should also give you a direction as the writer. Okay, so when you're writing, you're very focused. You know that, okay, this paragraph, I'm going to talk about this. What are my evidences? What are my facts? What are my substantial details? Okay, so that's that. So over here, we have an example. Okay, let's see which ones of these are topic sentences. Paragraph 1. Indeed, a host of problems await youngsters straddled between adulthood and childhood. Okay, so in this case, actually, between this and this, okay, this one is actually what we call the thesis statement, because the thesis statement is always found in your introduction. Okay, so the thesis statement is talking about a host of problems. What kind of problems again? Youngsters' problems, right? When they are straddled between adulthood and childhood. Okay, so the second paragraph, okay, is basically your body paragraph. Okay, so the body paragraph 1, it says, one problem young people like myself face is the generation gap, the gulf between us and our parents. So this one is one of the problems. It is a good thesis statement. It is a good topic sentence because it's linked, right? Remember what are the criteria? It has to be linked to the thesis statement. It is, right? Because it's talking about a problem. So what's the problem here? The problem is that there can be a generation gap between parents and us, and that is probably going to be a struggle for teenagers because parents and you might have different opinions, and sometimes it can lead to arguments as well, right? So that's one. Okay, now body paragraph 2. Youngsters also face stress at school from both schoolwork and demanding CCAs. So facing stress. So is it related to the TC statement? Yes, as well, right? Because it's problems. So facing stress in school because of like the demanding work, schoolwork as well as CCAs. So it is also considered quite a good topic sentence, and that means within the paragraph itself, you know that the writer is going to write about, stress from schoolwork and CCAs. Yeah. Okay, now next one, body paragraph 3. So we are in paragraph 4, but it's actually body 3. Finally, so finally, it has been the last one already, right? Young people like myself often face peer pressure. So peer pressure is possibly one of the problems that youngsters might be facing nowadays. Okay, because peer pressure means something that, if let's say you get very easily influenced by your friends and they might do something else. Yes, Levon, you can go to the toilet. Go ahead. Okay. So yeah. So basically peer pressure is something that it's possibly a problem as well. Okay. Now let's take a look at the paragraph 5. Paragraph 5 says, perhaps the struggles to find answers to life's problems make a teenager's journey an unforgettable experience. Okay, so in this case, the struggles to find answers. So this one is more like a summary, right? So it is a summary here. It is like a reflection as well. So actually, this is not a body paragraph, but this is actually a conclusion. Okay, any questions so far? Levon is in the toilet, is it? Levon, are you in the toilet? I mean, are you there? I think Levon might be in the toilet. Okay, let's just wait a while for Levon because we're going to start on our activity later. Yeah. Levon, are you there? Okay, never mind. We'll wait for a while, okay? Okay, maybe I'll just introduce the task to you first, Haresh. So you are supposed to take on one of these topics and craft out not the entire thing, but only the thesis statement and the topic sentences. Oh yes, Levon is back. Great. And I heard my name. Yeah. I was just calling you because we're going to start our task. So I wanted to wait for you for a while. Okay. So basically, 2 topics. Each of you will choose one. Okay. Or would you want to do in group? Would you prefer doing it alone or group? Because there are only 2 of you. I know last week it was really crowded, but this week there are only 2 of you actually.
I don't know.
Okay, if you two are working together, then I think you have to do both topics. How about I think I'll just let you choose one each and then you can work on it and we can discuss. Or do you prefer to do both as a group?
Why not both?
Both? Okay. Levon, are you able to speak through your speaker? If not, I think it doesn't. Then you have to keep typing with Haresh. Okay, we'll see how it works out, okay? I think we'll start off with topic 1 first. Okay, topic 1, maybe I'll just give you about 5 minutes to discuss. Right? And Lavon, let me see, you replied me, is it? Oh, your mic is spoiled. Okay, so I think it's quite difficult to work as a group then. Okay, so I think we'll let Lavon choose the topic first. How about that? Okay, Lavon, which topic would you like to choose? 1 or 2? Two, okay. So Lavon, you will do topic 2. Haresh, you'll work on topic 1, okay? Right? And I'm just, okay, I think if that's the case, then I'll give you a bit more time. Maybe I'll give you 10 minutes to draft out thesis statement in the introductory paragraph and 3 topic sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Right? I'll put you into your breakout rooms so you have some peace. Then after that, we will come back. Okay?
Ma'am, can I take a photo of the
Yeah,
the
go ahead.
topics?
Okay, Harish, you're back. Is Lavon back? Let's see. Oh, not yet. How come you have a ladder in your room, Harish?
My dad was just fixing some stuff.
Ah, okay. I thought you used that to reach up for some books on top or something.
No.
Okay, we'll wait for Lavon to come back and then we'll discuss the points, yeah, for your topic. Okay, Lavon is back. All right, now first topic, what do you think?
Ma'am, may I proceed to the toilet?
Oh, you go to the toilet first, yeah. Okay. Lavon, you might just want to type out your answers in the chat, okay? Because I think you're not able to speak, right? Your microphone is not working. Just type your responses in the chat and later on I'll share with Harish, yeah?
Ma'am, what happened?
Okay, are you back, Harish?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we might just want to start with yours first because yours is the first topic. What are some problems that the elderly face in your society? Discuss.
There are health issues,
Okay,
and then there are access to technology.
okay, all right, that's their problem, one of their problems, right? Okay, what else?
Financial insecurity.
Very good. Okay, so how do you craft your thesis statement? Some problems that elderly face in the society are financial instability.
There are financial insecurity, health issues, and social isolation.
Okay, great. So you have your 3 points already. It should be in your thesis statement. So it gives the reader a direction that, okay, you're going to talk about how the 3 problems which you've just stated in your thesis statement, right? Okay, what about your topic sentence then? How do you start the topic sentence with regards to financial instability?